How to know if Chapter 7 bankruptcy is right for you. Hi, I'm tax and bankruptcy attorney Larry Heinkel. Since 1983, my bankruptcy and tax practice has helped hard-working people just like you minimize large tax debts and save their business from financial ruin. Small business owners, doctors, real estate agents, celebrities, sports figures, politicians, and just regular people. We've represented them all. Let me tell you a brief story. One Friday morning, around 7 a.m., I decided to get to the office early to get a head start on a few cases. The phone rang and I picked it up before the answering service could. I said, "Hello, this is attorney Larry Heinkel." The caller said, "Hi Larry, my name is Dr. Sam." Well, his name isn't really Dr. Sam, but I'm just going to respect attorney-client privilege and call him that. I could hear in Dr. Sam's voice that he was nervous to talk to me. I know he didn't want to, but he had to. Frankly, who wants to spill their financial guts to an attorney? Before he continued to explain his situation, I interrupted Dr. Sam because I wanted him to relax and feel good about making this call. So I said to him, as I frequently do with first-time callers, "Dr. Sam, let me be your doctor for a moment, please. I'm going to ask you to take as deep a breath as you possibly can, then slowly exhale. It's amazing the feeling you'll get from doing this. Now let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, go." Feels good, doesn't it? Then we discussed his case and came up with some options that allowed him to safely reorganize his business and wipe out some IRS tax debt to boot. Now, why would you want to take the time to go through this process 3 to 5 times with different bankruptcy attorneys and have to explain your story over and over again? Doesn't it make more sense to share your story just once like Dr. Sam? Just look at our experience versus other attorneys. Who are you going to hire? Remember, hire a young doctor and an old lawyer. At the end of this presentation, I'm going to give you the answer to a very important question. Should you file bankruptcy now, or wait to file, or perhaps don't file bankruptcy at all? The problem is you don't want to be embarrassed or frustrated and waste valuable time and energy that you don't have. And you don't even know if bankruptcy is right for you or when to file if it is. Unfortunately, even if you go to the trouble and aggravation of telling your story to 5 different attorneys, you may be speaking with someone not experienced with your type of case, so you can't be sure you'll get the correct answer that's right for you. And if part of your problem is IRS debts or unfiled tax returns, other bankruptcy firms don't even handle those issues. We do. So why not let me leverage my 37-plus years of experience and bankruptcy attorney Mike Barnett's 35 years of experience to help you get the right answer to those critical questions and to make the right decision for your individual situation. We know all of the legal angles to help you maximize the ability to protect your assets, your income, and your family. You're probably wondering, can they garnish my wages? Are my retirement assets protected? And almost always, most important, can I keep my house, my car? The reality is, until you get the answers you need, you will continue to be subject to foreclosures and repossessions, harassing creditor phone calls and lawsuits and bad credit, as well as the mental anguish associated with your indebtedness. Worse still, if you put yourself in the hands of the inexperienced, you put your financial life and your future on the line. Now for the good news. There is likely a light at the end of the tunnel. Whether you're behind on your credit cards, upside down in your house, you've experienced business disruption because of the pandemic, had a drastic decrease in income, or other financial problems, my board-certified bankruptcy attorney and I can help you decide if bankruptcy is a good choice for you, or if your situation needs a different strategy. We have helped thousands of clients just like you navigate the complexities and nuances of bankruptcy proceedings and end up with a resolution that gives you the fresh start that you need. Since the mid-1980s, we have been helping clients create a new beginning. To put it simply, we've been there. We've done that. These years of experience have taught us to know everything a bankruptcy judge is looking at. And with that in mind, we put your interest first, not the interest of the creditors. The bottom line is that in the world of bankruptcy, experience counts, big time. We concentrate on bankruptcy and tax problems. We are your advocates and can guide you to the right choice of options. Whether a Chapter 7 for total discharge or a workout plan through a Chapter 5, 11, 12, or 13. Here's the simple truth. Creditors want your money and assets. You want to keep as much as you can. So here's how it works. All assets must be disclosed and properly valued, with supporting documentation. Calculating the value is an art. Any flaw in your presentation can be your doom. Without representation, your case can be preliminarily evaluated for success and, if pursued, pushed through to conclusion. Depending on the type of debt you face and the rest of your financial picture, we can create a personalized strategy to help set you free and on the path to the best decision possible. No one should go into bankruptcy without the very best chance of keeping their assets and minimizing the damage to get a fresh start. You might be surprised at the difference the right choice of bankruptcy options can be to your financial future as well as the right choice of representation in federal court. I think we can help you. Simply schedule a free 15-minute overview call by selecting the calendar link below. P.S. When you schedule your appointment, I'm going to send you some Chapter 7 insights free of charge. Schedule your free 15-minute call now. We'll listen carefully to your situation and the facts of your situation, and then outline your options. We will explain what you can and cannot do and what the trustee can and cannot do. We will answer all your questions and give you all your options, whether you like the news or not. We're confident our representation will put you in a better position than you were before. Why? Because we've had people come to us after filing bankruptcy only to learn their consultant made mistakes that caused them to lose assets unnecessarily or cause certain debts, especially tax debts, not to be discharged when they could have been with proper planning. We have software and procedures that make the process smooth and stress-free. We know how important this is to you. That's why you deserve an experienced advocate who can give you the very best chance of a successful outcome and a new lease on life. Look, you can waste time and harm your reputation and financial health by spending valuable energy shopping around and trying to find answers. Or you can call us now and start getting your financial life in order. We can spare 15 minutes at no charge to help you make the right choice today. Can you spare 15 minutes today? Let's talk. You have nothing to lose other than your assets and your dignity.